Ifeoma spent 5 years learning her craft, quietly, patiently, designing far away from the noise of the internet because she believed mastery should come before the spotlight. She interned, she collaborated, she built products people actually used, and when she finally felt ready, she decided to show up online, not to be famous, but to guide others like her. Her first posts were simple, honest, human. Her story resonated. Her comments were warm. For a moment, Ifeoma thought, maybe the internet isn't so bad after all. What are these comments? Why did I choose to open a social media account in the first place? I'm done. And just like that, the noise found her. The kind of noise that doesn't correct but crushes. Within hours, insults filled her notifications before she even opened her eyes that morning. But suddenly it felt like a crime to exist publicly as a woman. So she withdrew, not because she wasn't good enough, but because the space became hostile enough. But here is the truth. The internet is powerful, and power can be used to build or to break. What Ifeoma faced isn't just comments, it is violence, dressed in text, wrapped in anonymity, and delivered through screens. It is the kind of harm that pushes brilliant women into silence and makes talents feel like a burden. Technology should amplify voices, not to attack them. It should create opportunities, not trauma. It should open doors, not wounds. So, Ifeoma decided one thing. If the internet can be loud enough to break me, I can be brave enough to show up again. Again and again. Not for applause, but for every woman who has been pushed offline by cruelty, because her work matters, her voice matters, her space matters, and every woman deserves to be safe, even on the internet.